Introducing the I-Series Automated Production Top Load 3018 Wash Rinse Dry, a fully integrated cleaning solution designed for in-cell production and automated workflows. Engineered specifically for robotic loading and unloading, the I-Series APTL 3018 WRD communicates directly with your robotic systems, enabling true lights-out operation and consistent, hands-free part processing. Its recirculating wash, rinse, and dry system is designed to meet stringent cleanliness specifications for general CNC part cleaning, delivering unmatched reliability and efficiency. Purpose-built for robotic integration, the I-Series APTL 3018 WRD features a 30-inch top-load turntable that is robotically loaded and unloaded for autonomous operation. It's constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel with an automatic lid, power vent, and non-marring fixtures, or custom fixtures built to your specifications. This compact powerhouse supports uninterrupted cleaning cycles, ideal for high-throughput production cells where every second counts. A 7.5 horsepower pump drives a high-performance wash cycle, enhanced by filtration with sump sweep for extended solution life and decreased maintenance to minimize downtime. The digital solution level sensor enables the automatic fill feature that also introduces the correct ratio of chemistry, and 24 kilowatt stainless steel heaters ensure reliable cleaning temperatures. An oil skimmer maintains solution cleanliness to keep operations consistent and extend solution life. Equipped with a 5 horsepower rinse pump, the closed-loop rinse stage also features autofill, key-end sensors, and 12 kilowatt stainless steel heaters, ensuring a clear, consistent rinse every time. Drying is fast and effective with a 5 horsepower blower, removing moisture and preparing parts for the next production stage. The I-Series APTL 3018 WRD is built for both safety and ease of use. A light curtain enhances robotic cell protection while disconnects, labeled wires, and a cleanly organized control system simplify maintenance. Engineered for smart manufacturing, it communicates directly with robotic systems for true hands-free cleaning. The I-Series APTL 3018 WRD, where automation meets precision cleaning. Cleaning excellence, engineered for you. Backed by decades of expertise, we go beyond parts washing systems. We deliver engineered solutions designed to meet your unique needs. When you choose Renegade, you gain more than a machine. You gain a trusted partner. Take the next step. Partner with Renegade today.